Hello and welcome to the channel. Today I will be talking about servo horns. Now this is the Traxxas TRX4 Bronco. On one of my latest runs I took a jump, and when I landed I just stripped out the stock 8247 servo horn. So actually I did find these SSD aluminum servo horns, so I think I'm going to go ahead and give that a try. The 8247, the plastic, it wants to strip out under heavy load. I am using a Savox 1210, so with the extreme torque, the plastic has no chance. A comparison of the two. This is the shot from the side. You can see the SSD up top is a little thicker up top. The Traxxas stock plastic is at the bottom. And here is a shot from the bottom. The SSD was designed for the Traxxas TRX4. I did not notice the aluminum Traxxas servo horns until after I had gotten the SSDs. But again, the Traxxas aluminum servo horns are 8247X. The SSD servo horn does come with a set screw to ensure that the servo horn is nice and tight, whereas the Traxxas does not. Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and get this installed. So I went ahead and took out the screw from the bottom, from the steering link to the servo horn. So getting to the screw on the servo is a little tricky, so instead of taking apart the bottom here, I'm going to go ahead and just tackle it from the top. So I'll just go ahead and undo these 4 screws and pull the servo out. So now that the servo's out, I can go ahead and remove that top screw for the servo horn. So I do want to make sure that my servo is centered. So I'm going to go ahead and switch the radio on, and then I'll go ahead and switch the vehicle on and get that servo centered up. When I put the horn on, I'm going to put it on oriented in the correct direction, so the servo would be going back in. So I'll go ahead and get the servo horn put on just like this. Alright, so I'll go ahead and install the screw to hold the horn onto the servo, also using a little Loctite to ensure that screw doesn't back out. So the servo horn does use a little side set screw, a little clamping screw. So I started putting it in. I'll go ahead and finish tightening it up. Alright, now I'm just simply going ahead and putting the 4 screws back in to hold the servo in. And the last thing is to go ahead and reinstall the screw for the steering link. Alright, so all done. So hopefully this performs better than the stock plastic. And you can see the original horn has been rounded out on the inside. Also, if you went and watched the TRX4 Jeep video that I had posted, I blew the steering horn out on that, so I did grab another SSD servo horn for this Jeep, and I'll be doing the same exact process. One last thing to mention, going with the aluminum servo horn, if I do have a big impact like I had, the horn's not going to give like the plastic horn, so I have a chance to blow out links or something else. So just one thing to note when you do upgrade to aluminum: if you have a major impact, something, that energy has to transfer. Plastic will simply blow out, whereas the aluminum won't. May bend, but either way, just be cautious when you do upgrade to aluminum, because it may be a little bit more expensive when you do have a crash or something. Alright guys, so that's about it. Thanks for tuning in. Thanks for watching the video. If you liked what you saw, please click the like button. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you on the next episode. Have a great day.